it's Sophia's Kitchen, and today we have a special dish. We're going to do golden fried rice, 黄金炒饭. So what we need are a little bit of 油, 黑芝麻, black pepper, 胡椒, salt, 盐, 鸡蛋, egg, a little bit of rice or more, 米饭, 黄瓜, 胡萝卜. Then we need 火腿, green onion, 葱, and 猪肉. Okay, so the first step we need to beat our egg. Like this. Here we are. And mix it until we get yellow color. I think it's ready. The next step, we need to add some rice and mix it up with our egg to get the golden color. As you can see, here we have beautiful egg rice. So we have our frying pan ready, and now our next step, we need to add some oil. Ingredients are green onion, of salt, this maybe a little bit more, mix it, yeah, look how beautiful it is. Then we can add our golden rice, and now get everything mixed well. Our last step, we need to add a little bit of black sesame. And now we have our golden fried rice done. Wow. So, do you want to try?